Alright, so welcome to the Waste Management app. We're going to access with our user and password credentials. The second we hit access, it'll start the session, it'll log in, and it'll load a list of all the waste management plans that are managed and inspected by AMB. And as soon as we get the list of all the plans, we will be able to select the one that we are interested on right now, or that we are currently at. As you can see, we have an entire list of all of them, and we're going to select this one, for example. It'll load a list of all the incidences that are currently open in this plant, so that we can basically check what is the state of this plant. As soon as this has loaded, which is almost there, we will be able to start checking the entire list of incidences. As of right now, we're only seeing all the incidences that are open without any type of distinction. If we wanted to get more specific, we could select the family simply by pressing on them. If we wanted to go back to seeing the entire list of incidences, we just needed to click again and we would go back to the initial list. But let's see what happens when we want to interact with these incidences. So for example, if we tap on it, we would be able to see pictures and see comments. But we see here that we have details where we would be able to see detail on the incidences. These details have been input when the incident was created. If we go back to the main page, you will see that there's a camera right now. We would take a picture and then we would be able to fill out all these details that you can see here based off of the specific needs of that incident. Alright, so once we check the detail within the incidents, we're able to slide left and see three options. The first one, discard, that would essentially discard the incidents. Send, which we can get into more detail in a second, and finalize, that will send a notification to IBM Maximo to change the state of the incidents onto done. So if we were to send it, let's assume that we were to add another comment here or change a couple of the details that are around here. We would be able to hit that send option that you can see second to the right on the top, or going back to the main menu right here, the middle option, so that we could notify IBM Maximo and the team that there has been a change within the incidents. After that, after we have checked and inspected the incidents and we have made sure that it's done and it's been finalized, we can simply tap it and the state of the incidents, both within Maximo and within this app, will change. It'll disappear from this list and a new update will appear within the plant's management system.